Let me read the question if anybody is having any problem. First question, solve for x. 2 cos 3x minus 15 degree is equal to 1. Option A is 10 degree, B is 15 degree, C is 25 degree, D is 60 degree. D is 60 degree. Okay. Chalo, solve this. Then find the angle theta. Okay, one more. This is given, B is given 90 degree. Okay. AB is 20, AC is 40. Find the angle theta. Theta, option A is 0 degree, B 30 degree. So solve this without fail. 0 degree, B 30 degree, C 45 degree, D 60 degree. Then third question, the value of cos square 60 degree plus sec square 30 degree plus 5 plus tan square 45 degree. Option A is 1 is to 7 by 12, B 2 is to 7 by 12, C 3 is to 7 by 12. It is not 37, it is 3 is to 7 by 12. 3 is to 7 by 12, it is 4 is to 7 by 12. 5, question number 4, if 5 cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta, then the value of 12 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 12 sin theta plus 3 cos theta is. Option A 4 by 13, B 6 by 13, C 7 by 13, D 9 by 13. So get the answer. Get the answer. We will discuss after 2 minutes. Discuss after 2 minutes. Yes, Neeraj Gandhi, he has joined recently, solve the problem. Chalo, send me the answer of first. First one I think everybody has completed. Daivik C, Satish Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Rishabh Gathani C, Raj Chavda C, Tanvi Patel C, Sarita Gupta C, Aryan Patel C, Anushree Mishra C, Alex Sagar C. Yes, anybody else? Gaurav Rajpurohit C, Amshul Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Janvi Rathod C, Krishna Ravadia C. Yes, Tanvi Patel, your answer has not come. Then Arvina Prajapati, answer has not come. Yes, Arvina Prajapati. So C means 25 degree. So majority are giving the answer 25 degree. That is option number C. Let us verify. 2 cos 3x minus 15 degree is 1. So you will get cos 3x minus 15 degree is 1 by 2. This 2 will go in the denominator. 1 by 2. So cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Yes, cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Bolo. 60 degree. Cos of which angle is 1 by 2? 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So you will get cos 60 degree. So you will get 3x minus 15 is 60. So 3x is equal to 60 plus 15, 75. So x is equal to 75 by 3, that is 25 degree. So 25 degrees, option number C is correct. Option number C is correct option for first question. Okay. Now next question is, send me the option, second. Second. चलो send me the option. Satish Patel B, Anshul Patel B, Satish Patel B, Raj Chawda B, Tanvi Patel B, Daivik B, Sarita Gupta B, Rishabh Gathani B, Anushree Mishra B, Aryan Patel B, Krishna Ravalia B, Meet Rathod B. Yes. B option. Anybody else want to send answer so that I can call out the name with the option. So B option means 30 degree. Let us see. This is my reference angle theta. This is my opposite and this is my hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, which ratio we consider? Opposite and hypotenuse, sine. Adjacent and hypotenuse, cosine, cos. Opposite and adjacent, tan. So that you remember. Reference angle is theta. Opposite is given, hypotenuse is given. So we find sine ratio. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon 20 upon hypotenuse 40. That is 1 by 2. Sine of which angle is 1 by 2? 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. So option number B is the correct one. 30 degree. Option number B, theta is equal to 30 degree is the correct answer. Okay. Theta is equal to 30 degree is the correct answer. So in examination, be careful. If we are given opposite and hypotenuse, sine, adjacent and hypotenuse, cosine, opposite and adjacent, tan. Chalo, send me the answer of third. Daivik B, Satish Patel B, Raj Chawda B, Anshul Patel B, Sarita Gupta B, Rishabh Gathani B, Meet Rathod B, Tanvi Patel B, Aryan Patel B, Tirath Gandhi B, Jay Gandhi B, Jay Gandhi B. Okay, Jay Gandhi B. Yes, anybody else? B means 2 is to 7 by 12. 2 is to 7 by 12. Well, let us see. Cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. Half square plus sec 30. Sec 30. See here, sec is reciprocal of cos. This we remember. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be reciprocal of this, 2 upon root 3. So this is 2 upon root 3 square plus tan 45 is 1. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 4 up by 3 plus 1. You take LCM of 4 and 3, 12. So this is 3 upon 12 plus 16 upon 12 plus 12 upon 12. So LCM is 12. 16 plus 3, 19. 31 upon 12. This is the fraction. Okay. Improper fraction. You can convert them into mixed fraction by division. So 12, 2s are 24. Then remainder is 7. 2 is to 7 by 12. Which option? Option number B. 2 is to 7 by 12. Option number B, 2 is to 7 by 12. Option number B, 2 is to 7 by 12. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer of 4. Satish Patel C, Daivik C, Sarita Gupta C, Raj Chawda C, Anshul Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Aryan Patel, lock option C. Okay. Meet Rathod C, Rishabh Gathani C, Tirath Gandhi C, Anushree Mishra C. Anushree Mishra C option. Okay. C means 7 by 13. Let us verify. 5 cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta. So you get 10 theta. So 5 by 6 is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So tan theta value is 5 by 6. Then to find this, what we do? whenever you are given the value of tan, you will divide by cos. You will divide cos. Divide each term by cos. So 2 sin theta upon cos theta tan theta minus 3 cos theta upon cos theta 1, 12 sin theta upon cos theta tan theta plus 3 cos theta upon cos theta 1. So 12 tan theta is 5 by 6 minus 3 upon 12 into 5 by 6 plus 3. 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then 10 plus 3, 13, 7 by 13. Which option? Option number C, 7 by 13. Yes, clear? Anybody has any doubt? Yes, any doubt? No? Okay, done. So be careful in the calculation, because in multiple choice question, previous examination, the student knows everything, but because of silly mistake, straight away 4 marks was deducted. So in multiple choice question, there is no mercy mark. We cannot give 2 marks, 3 marks out of 4 marks. Straight away you will get 4 marks, you will gain 4 marks, or you will lose 4 marks. Okay, now chalo. Fifth question, you are given a triangle, right angle triangle. You are given a right angle triangle ABCD, ABC, and this is B. B is given 90 degree, BC is 20, this is D, angle D is 30 degree, angle C is 60 degree, and BC is given 20 centimeter. BC is given 20 centimeter. BC, this much length is 20 centimeter. Find AB. Find AB. Find AB. Find AB. AB is option A, 71.23 centimeter. Option B, 71.32 centimeter. Option C, 17.32 centimeter. 17.32 centimeter. Option D, 17.23 centimeter. 23 centimeter. And sixth question. Sixth question. The value of tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Option A is 2, B, 3, C, 4, and D is 1. Then let me take from median. Okay. Median. Find the median of. The median of the data, the median of observations, 25, 16, 16, 26, 16, 26, 16, 32, 31, 32, 31, 19, 28, 19, 28, 35 is, median is A, 32, B, 26, C, 31, D, 62. Eighth question. Eighth question. Eighth question. Eighth question. Eighth question. Eighth question. The mean of the data, the mean of the observations, the mean of observations, 35, 48, 92, 35, 48, 92, 35, 48, 92, 76, 64, 76, 64, 52, 51, 52, 51, 52, 51, 63 and 71. And 71 is, the mean of the data is A 16.33, B 61.33, C 33.16, B 33.61. Take 2 minutes, 3 minutes time, then we will discuss. Okay, we will discuss. Take 2 minute time. Done all? Okay, chalo. Chalo, send me the answer of fifth one. fifth one. Satish Patel C, Tanvi Patel C, Anushree C, Raj Chawda C, R.N. Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Jay Gandhi C, Anshul Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Daivik C, Ravina Chaudhary C, Rishabh Gathani C, Ravina Chaudhary C. Okay, anybody else? C means 17.32. Okay. So this type of problem, there are two right angle triangles. One is smaller one, other is bigger one. This is my opposite. You will consider BC as X. So opposite is given, adjacent is given. Adjacent and opposite. Which ratio? Opposite and adjacent, which ratio? Tan. You will find tan 60 for smaller triangle, tan 30 for bigger triangle, you will get AB. Then you compare AB, you will get the option as 17.32. So the correct answer is 17.32. Okay? Anybody want me to solve? We have done this. 17.32. Chalo, send me the answer of 6th. Anshul Patel D, Tanvi Patel D, Satish Patel D, David D, Raj Chawda D, Jay Gandhi D, R.N. Patel D, Rishabh Gathani D, Ravina Chaudhary D, Meet Rathod D, Anushree Mishra D. Okay, Anushree D. D means 1. D means, option number D means answer is 1. Okay. So tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree, tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree, tan 10 degree. So whichever sum of two angle is 90 degree, that I will take together. Tan 10 degree and tan 80 degree I will write together. So tan 10 degree into tan 80 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree. Then we can use the complementary. So tan 10 degree, okay, tan 80 degree, I can write 1 upon cot 80 degree. Tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, I can write 1 upon cot 75 degree. Then tan and cot, they are complementary angles. So cot 80 degree, I can write tan 90 minus 80 degree, that is 10 degree. Cot and tan, they are complementary angles. So this I can write tan 90 minus 75 degree, that is 15 degree. This get cancelled, answer is 1. So 1 means option number D is the correct answer. 1 means option number D. Chalo, send me the answer of 7. Daivik B, Anshul Patel B, Satish Patel B, Meet Rathod B, Jay Gandhi B, Tanvi Patel B, R.N. Patel B, Rishabh Gathani B, Sarita Gupta B, Riddhi Singh B, Anushree Mishra B, Raj Chawda B, Neil B. Very good, Neil. B. B means 26. B means 26. Whenever it is asked find median, first arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So first it is 16, 16 2 times, 16, 16 2 times, then 19, cancel the number. After 19, 25, 26, 25, 26, then 28, then 31, 32, 35. Okay, how many data is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is 9. 9 is odd number. So median will be, what will be median? Tell me. For odd number of data, what? N plus 1 upon 2th term. N is 9. 9 plus 1, 2. 2 by 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2. 5th term. 5th term of the observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So median is 26. 5th term is 26. So median is 26. 26 is the correct option. Option number B. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer of 8th one. अंशुल पटेल बी, तन्वी पटेल बी, मीत राठौड़ बी, राज चावड़ा बी, जय गांधी बी, दैविक बी, ऋषभ गठानी बी, दैविक बी, सरिता गुप्ता बी, नील बी, अनुश्री मिश्रा बी, सतीश पटेल बी. Okay. B means 61.33. 61.33. Add all the values. Add all the values. Divide by total number of values given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divide by 9. You will get 61.33. Add all the values. Then divide this total by total number of values given. Whenever we divide the sum by number of values given, we get mean value of the data. We get mean value of the data. Okay. Chalo. Ninth question. X minus y. X minus y is given 5. X square plus y square. X square plus y square is given 73. X square plus y square is given 73. Then find xy. Find xy. Find xy. Product. So what you can read is, the same question is given in the wordings. The difference of two numbers is 5 and sum of their square is 73. Find their product. Find the product of numbers. Okay. Option A 42, B 24, C 14, D 34. Then 10th question. 10th question. 10th question. 10th question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Let us do it. If x is root 3 minus root 2, if x is root 3 minus root 2, then x square plus 1 upon x square, x square plus 1 upon x square is option number A 8, B minus 8, C 10, D minus 10. D minus 10. Okay. Now one more question, because 6 minutes are left, so I will not give much more. Factorize. 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 X minus 4. X minus 4. X minus 4. X minus 4 into x plus 4. X minus 4 into x plus 4. Okay. Plus 15. Plus 15. Option A, x minus 1 into x plus 1. Option B, x minus 2 into x plus 2. Option C, x plus 3 into x plus 3. Option D, x minus 4, x minus 1 into x minus 2. Send me the answer of, हाँ चलो 9th का आंसर भेजो, 9th का आंसर, 9th का आंसर, सतीश पटेल बी, तन्वी पटेल बी, अंशुल पटेल बी, अनुश्री मिश्रा बी, राज चावड़ा बी, दैविक बी, सरिता गुप्ता बी, जय गांधी बी, ऋषभ गठानी बी, ऋषभ गठानी बी. Okay, so B means 24. Plus 24 is correct answer. Okay, so because easily you can find x square plus y square, you can consider x plus y whole square. That will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y is given, sorry, x minus y you will consider. X minus y whole square minus 2xy. So 25 is equal to x square plus y square 73 minus 2xy. So 2xy is equal to 73 minus 25. That is 8, 48. So xy is equal to 48 divided by 2. That is 24. Xy is 24. Chalo, send me the answer of 10th. 10th answer. Tanvi Patel C. C. Raj Chavda C. Anshul Patel C. Daivik C. Sarita Gupta C. Rishabh Gathani C. Jay Gandhi C. Satish Patel C. Satish Patel C. Okay. C means 10. C means plus 10. You want to say plus 10. Let us verify. Let us verify whether this is correct. X is root 3 minus root 2. X is root 3 minus root 2. X is root 3 minus root 2. Okay. So what will be 1 by x? 1 by x will be, rationalize this, root 3 plus root 2. Okay. So what will be x plus 1 upon x? X plus 1 upon x will be root 2 get cancelled, that is 2 root 3. So square this, x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. So 2 root 3, this value is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 square, 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 2 is x square plus 1 upon x square. 12 minus 2 is 10. So the correct answer is 10, which is option number C. Option number C, 10 is the correct option. Now send me the answer of 11. Tanvi Patel A. Satish Patel A. David A. Raj Chavda A. Rishabh Gathani A. Jay Gandhi A. Anshul Patel A. Sarita Gupta A. Anushree Mishra A. Anushree Mishra A. Okay. A means x minus 1 into x plus 1. Let us verify the answer. A option, x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay. So x minus 4 into x plus 4 plus 15. This is same as a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So that will be x square minus 4 square plus 15. X square minus 4 square is 16 plus 15. Minus 16 plus 15 will be minus 1. 1 I can write 1 square. Again it is a square minus b square, so that will be a plus b into a minus b. So the correct answer is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Which option? A option. Option number A, x minus 1 into x plus 1 is the correct option. Okay. So now it is 1:30, we stop here. Next period we will see more revision. Okay. Bye everybody. Submit your project before 10th October. See, all of you submit your